Good afternoon, my dear students. In today's live class, we were discussed about the nutrition in amoeba and also we were started the nutrition in ruminants. Okay, first the nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is what kind of an organism? It is a single-celled and microscopic organism present in pools, ponds, lakes, ditches, etc. Amoeba is a single-celled microscopic organism. And amoeba have an ability to produce certain finger-like projections, one or more finger-like projections from their body that helps to change its shape continuously. Amoeba have the ability to change its shape by producing certain finger-like projections from their body is called as pseudopodia or false feet. These finger-like projections are called as pseudopodia or false feet. And the function of this pseudopodia is in locomotion and also for capturing the food material. It helps to locomotion and also for capturing the food material. Okay, and amoeba, since it is having a single cell, the entire processes are carried within that single cell itself. Okay, and there are 5 different steps, as in all human beings and in animals. 5 steps are there in the nutrition process of amoeba: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. During ingestion, the amoeba eats the tiny plants and animals which is present on the surface of water where it is present. And when they find a suitable food particle, amoeba will move along with that, and that will produce, amoeba will produce 2 finger-like projections from the 2 sides of the body. And it starts growing, and gradually the tips of 2 pseudopodia, 2 projections will fuse together. I will repeat it once more. When the amoeba finds a suitable food particle, 2 pseudopodia will rises from both sides of the body, and gradually the tips of 2 pseudopodia will fuse together, so that the food particles along with some quantity of the surrounding water is engulfed within that structure, within that pseudopodia. Okay, and that is called as a food vacuole. A food vacuole is formed, and it contains the food material along with some quantity of the surrounding water. That is the ingestion process of amoeba. And the second step is digestion. Digestion occurs inside the vacuole itself, and with the help of an enzyme which is secreted inside the cytoplasm of the body of amoeba, and that enzyme is carried into the food vacuole. The enzyme from the cytoplasm is moved into the food vacuole where the digestion occurs. So with the help of that enzyme, the digestion process occurs. After that, the absorption takes place. The digested food is absorbed directly into the cytoplasm. The digested food from the vacuole is absorbed directly into the cytoplasm. And after that, the assimilation occurs. The digested food which is being absorbed into the cytoplasm, and it is stored inside the cytoplasm. And this digested food is utilized for growth, development, multiplication and for releasing energy. That is meant by the assimilation process. And the final step in the nutrition of amoeba is egestion. The undigested food which is stored inside the food vacuole, it is eliminated by cell membrane rupturing. By the rupturing or breaking of cell membrane, the undigested food is thrown away from the food vacuole. This is the nutrition process in amoeba. This includes the 5 different steps. Okay, and the next thing that we have started in our live class is nutrition in ruminants. Certain animals like cows, buffaloes, deers, sheep, etc. They will, when they find the food material, they will suddenly or rapidly eat that and chew and swallow it. And when they find a safer place, they will bring back that food material into the mouth and again they chew it. Why that kind of animals do so? Because they are the herbivores. They eat only plants and plant products. So they are really afraid of the attack from the carnivores. Carnivores may attack this kind of herbivores. So that by the afraid of from the afraid of this kind of carnivores, they will eat the food suddenly, and after that they will move to a safer place. And again they will bring that food material, swallowed food material, back to their mouth and chew it thoroughly again. That chewing is termed as rumination. And that kind of animals are termed as ruminants. Cows, buffaloes, sheep, deers, etc. are the example for ruminants. Okay, and the important feature of this kind of ruminants is having a compound stomach. We human beings and all other animals have a simple stomach, but they have a compound stomach because their stomach is four-chambered. Four-chambered stomach is present in ruminants. The chambers are rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. These are the four chambers of stomach. That's why it is called as a compound stomach is present in ruminants. Okay, so these are the things that we have covered in today's class, and the rest of the portion will be taken in our next class. Thank you.